Today, pag-usapan naman natin ngayon kung ano ang statutory holidays. Yes, tama ang narinig nyo guys. Statutory holidays is one of our privilege as a helper here in Hong Kong 3 months after you arrive here in Hong Kong working in your employer. So, pag before 3 months ka pa, hindi ka maka-avail ng statutory holidays here in Hong Kong. But depende sa amo kung bigyan ka ng opportunity. Depende yan talaga sa amo guys na if holiday, ipa-off ka nila without deduction guys. So, yan ang isa sa mga benefits na makatanggap or ma-avail nyo if nandito kayo sa Hong Kong. Statutory holidays. So, once a year, 14 or 12 days holidays na ma-avail natin dito sa Hong Kong. So, it's up to you. You go out or you stay here in your room. Hindi ka mag-work for the whole day. That's our one of privilege written in our contract as a helper here in Hong Kong.